So now I will address the point number 2 of Mrityunjay Das. Say question number 2 of Mrityunjay Das. In this question, in this query, Mrityunjay Das says that Rashtriya Matadata Sabha is an illusory concept. So, as per Mrityunjay Das, it is an illusory concept. The whole concept is illusory. They are not saying about the term or the terminology. The concept is illusory. Yes, though it seems illusory, but actually it is not at all illusory. Why I am saying so? I would say that if we have referred the serial number 2 of our vision document, that is statutory provision. So all the time we should keep it in our mind, whatever the statutory provision is there, current statutory provision in our country. So that is our serial number 2 of our vision document. And at the same time, we also should keep it in our mind, serial number 3 also. In this serial number 3 of our vision document, ready references are given. So whatever the ready references are, so all these given in serial number 2 and serial number 3 are the system which is currently prevailing in the country. So definitely the concept of Matdata Sabha is out of the system, definitely. But though it is out of the system, even then we cannot say it illusory, because at the same time when we have presented the concept of Matadata Sabha, we also have presented the graphics of Matadata Sabha, which is given here in our vision document in serial number 13. So we should refer serial number 13. It is all about Matadata Sabha graphics. And here on page number 84, we already have presented the idea of National Voter Assembly by a graphic. Complete graphic is given there. So, discussing about that graphic is not required here. Just to refer only page number 84. Page number 84 is about National Voter Assembly. In that graphic, it is already shown there that how the total number of 10,501, how it is brought there. Who are these 10,501 persons. Everything is given in that graphic. So I will not discuss any more things. So it already shows that it is not at all illusory. If anybody is saying it illusory, it shows the ignorance ignorance of the person who is saying so. So, and uh, in plus in plus of that page number 84, I also would say to see page number 86. On page number 85, it is given National Water Assembly, the graphic of National Water Assembly. And on page number 86, it is given Jana Sansad Matadata Sabha, and that is Lok Sabha Matadata Sabha. So, one one model is given there, and likewise there will be 543 Lok Sabha Matadata Sabhas in the whole country. So it is given there on page number 86 about Lok Sabha Matadata Sabha. If we go to page number 87, there is an example of Vidhan Sabha Matadata Sabha on page number 87. So this type of voters assembly, what we call state assembly level, at level of state assembly, there will be 4,585 Matadata Sabhas all over the country in each and every constituency of that level. That's it. That is only up to there only, not below there. If you go to page number 85, you will see that in National Voters Assembly, only the persons from the constituencies, and they are not representatives. They are not any representatives. How we have made choice, we have choose them. It is given on page number 131. So we should look at page number 131 also. Yes, it is page number 131. The choice, it is a logical choice. It is not any illogical or illusory choice. So, we should refer page numbers 84 to 89. Unless we refer, we cannot understand the concept of Matadata Sabha. So here, when it is given in our vision document, what is the necessity of justifying by words only? It is not necessary to justify, because in our index also of our vision document, there are serial number 14 and serial number 15 about the introduction of voters assembly, that is Matadata Sabha. Introduction is also given in serial number 14, and in serial number 15 there is a guideline also about Matadata Sabha, about voters assembly. So once again I would say to refer page numbers 90 to 98 also. They are about introduction of Matdata Sabha and guidelines of Matdata Sabha. So I will say that it is not at all illusory. So, and beyond that, Mrutyunjay Das has also three more questions in this connection. That is, they have written it as A, B, and C. So, first of all, I will go to A. I will address A. In question A, Mrutyunjay Das has written that number of voters in the country roughly may be taken as 100 crores. So, it is not justified to take 10,501 voters out of them as members of National Voters Assembly. So it also shows the ignorance, at the same time not knowing the statutory provisions and everything which is prevalent in the country. So about that I will say, will it be wise to take 4 to 5 crore or 10 crore persons voters as members in this National Voters Assembly? Will it be practical? How it can be practical? But what is National Voters Assembly? If you want to see about Voters Assembly, it is given on page number 85. And from where they have come, that is given on page number 86 and 87. The models of Lok Sabha Matdata Sabha and Vidhan Sabha Matdata Sabha is given on page numbers 86 and 87. And also on page number 85 at bottom, we already have written that the person who is chosen as member of National Voter Assembly is the person next to the person which we already have selected as public candidate from each and every constituency. So, how it has happened? So, about that, once again, we should go to page number 131. So, there it is given. So, unless and until we do not connect the all details given in our vision document, so we should refer that connections. And one more thing, when Mrutyunjay Das has said it is not justified to take just 10,501 voters, so when saying like that, we should look at our Lok Sabha. In our Lok Sabha, they are the representatives of the people, and in each and every constituency there is one person from one constituency, and in that one constituency there are nearly 18 to 20 lakh voters. When we are sending one person as representative to Lok Sabha, we are not asking any question. Then it should not be asked like that. Asking such question is not, we are not thinking about the practicality. We should think about the practicality, about functioning of that Matdata Sabha. So again, if we look at that number of 543 from the whole country in the Lok Sabha, this figure 10,501 is nearly 20 times more than that. And this is out of the system. This is not inside the system. This is our concept. This is concept of PLI. And why is this? In PLI, we have presented three things. We have presented three things. One is the organization, other is the Matdata Sabha, and third is the committees. Why these three? So once again we should go to the system and we should see that in our system, which is already running in the country, as per the constitution, there are three pillars of our democracy, and that three pillars are legislative branch, the administrative branch, and the judiciary branch. As there are three pillars, in the similar way, we the PLI also has presented three pillars. One is the organization, other is the Matdata Sabha, and the third is the committee. And it is also answered. Why three? Why three? Why not only one? So it is not the only question of the representation only. It is not the only question to elect the right person and send him to representative assembly. The thing is not that much limited. And what is the necessity of these three entities? We already have illustrated the answer. Why these three entities? We have answered in serial number 4 of our vision document on page numbers 23 to 30. Page numbers 23 to 30. And there, by the example of car, driver, and fuel, we already have illustrated what is the necessity of three entities. Why three? On page number 27, we have given the picture, the graphic of car, driver, and fuel. What for these three stands for? Why that those three? We already have mentioned by giving an example that without all these three, journey cannot go on. All three are necessary. Driver, car, and fuel, all three are necessary. And what is the task of all three? That is also given on page number 28, page number 29, and page number 30. So, everything is to be taken into our notice. We should notice all these things, just not saying that it is not justified to take only 10,501. It will not do, and it shows somewhat lack of knowledge about the present day statutory provision and about references in the country, not knowing about the legislative branch. At the same time, cannot differentiate between legislature and administrative. All the time, Mrutyunjay Das ji is mixing both the branches together. They cannot, our Mrutyunjay Das cannot understand what is legislature and what is administrative. So we all should differentiate both the branches. We should understand what stands for driver and what stands for car and what stands for fuel in our present day system also. If there are three entities, why three? Why not only one? So now I go to point number 2. Here Mrityunjay Das says that the selection or election of representatives from lower levels to National Voter Assembly is once again a controversial task. It again shows the ignorance of Mrityunjay Das. Not at all. It is not like that. From, yes, from lower levels to National Voter Assembly, it is not like that. It is not idea of our Matdata Sabha. What is that lower level? Lower level means from the local levels, that is from the city levels or from the village levels. No, not at all. In National Voter Assembly, only the persons which are going there as members in that National Voter Assembly, they are just from the Lok Sabha Matdata level, Lok Sabha level, and State Assembly level only. If you refer page number 85, you will see that we are not taking anybody from lower levels to National Voter Assembly. There is no necessity to take people from villages to National Voter Assembly. So, whatever our method is, it is given on page number 84, and in that connection, we also are required to see page number 85 and page number 86, page number 87, page number 88, and page number 89. At the same time, we always should keep it in mind that as per our constitution, India is union of states. India is not union of villages. So, from the villages, if we take people from there to National Voters Assembly, we also should look at the number of our villages. Number of our villages, and at the same time we should look at the number of gram panchayats. Both are not the same. Number of our villages are nearly 6 lakh. Number of villages in India are 6,60,506. This is number of villages. And gram panchayats are all over India. Gram panchayats, that is panchayats in villages. Somewhere 2 or 3 villages are combined and made one gram panchayat. And in this way, all total 2,70,355 gram panchayats are there in all over India. And because India is union of states and not union of villages, then when we are thinking about National Voters Assembly, we should keep it restricted up to states only. Lok Sabha Matdata constituency and all the state assembly level, all state assembly. That is all total 4,585 state assemblies. So, and the last C, number C, what Mrityunjay Das says there. Mrityunjay ji says that the job pattern, remuneration, reporting authority of members of National Voters Assembly and other voters assemblies are undefined. By saying so also it seems that Mrityunjay Das ji has not read serial number 14 and serial number 15 of our vision document. In serial number 14, on page numbers 90 to 95, there are 11 points, and in those 11 points, we already have given the complete introduction of Matdata Sabha. And without looking at the introduction of Matdata Sabha, and at the same time, in serial number 15, also, page numbers 96 to 98, in this serial number, that is serial number 15, we have given guidelines to voters' assemblies. What are the guidelines? We already have given all the details in 7 points of that guidelines. So, there is no question of any job pattern. There is no question of getting any remuneration. Not any person of our organization, that is 2 crore and 32 lakh volunteers, say volunteers or members of our organization. Also the members of our organization, and at the same time members of all these Matadata Sabhas, including 10,501 members of Rashtriya Matadata Sabha, that is National Voters Assembly. There is no job pattern about that. There is no question of giving remuneration. Who will give the remuneration? Why remuneration? It is our duty with the people of India, and so we have taken up the task. And what is the reporting authority? We also have stated all this about also in our Charter of Partyless India, also in our organization's charter, there are 24 points. And we already have stated that no job will be given to any person and no person will report anything. So reporting authority, who will take report? So it is all not like that. It is very different, very unique, and for this we should understand these points. To understand these points, we should go into serial number 14, that is page numbers 90 to 95. There are 11 points, and we should go to serial number 15, that is page number 96 to 98. That is 7 points are there. So it is not required to give all justification about all these type of ignorant questions, ignorant queries of Mrityunjay Das. And even then, we are giving this much description. So everybody from us should go frequently, every now and then, every time. We have to refer the vision document. And if we want to put our finger anywhere, we should put our finger on any specific page of the vision document or any specific paragraph of the vision document or any specific line of that paragraph, and not asking such general type of irrelevant questions. So this shows only and only ignorance and nothing else. Once again, I will request to all of our members to refer all the things, specifically to refer serial number 2 of the vision document, that is statutory provision running today in our country. What is the today's current statutory provision? We should know that. At the same time, serial number 3, that is ready references. What is that? We also should see that also. And as far as Voters Assembly is concerned, for that answer, we should go to serial number 13, 14, and 15. A special section is given in our vision document. If we have any questions about the organization, there are serial number 6 to 12. Go to index and you will find that the separate section is given for the organization. At the same time, separate section also given for people's committees. So, likewise, we should refer our vision document. We should put our finger on specific page, on specific paragraph, and without understanding the whole thing as a whole, when we are not knowing about the constitution. In our constitution, India is union of states, and so when we are going, we have taken our constitution, we have accepted our constitution. So whatever we design, whatever new concept we present, so our concept should be in the limits of the constitution. That only I have to say about these queries. So here it was all about the point number 2 of Mrityunjay Das's query. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Okay.
So, Ashok bhai, you have already explained it very well. Uh, for the same point, that is the question number 2, the query number 2, Rashtriya Matadata Sabha is an illusory concept, and the sub queries under that query. What I want to say is, yes, we welcome Mrityunjay ji's this step that he has put forward queries in writing so that we could explain and point wise. So that is a welcome step, which no other member of our core team has done, and I think we will welcome everyone if they do similar things and put their queries also in front of the team. But by that, it doesn't mean that you put questions without any curiosity. You haven't gone through anything. You haven't studied the entire concept, and without going through the concept, you have missed the concept only, and you are just, for the sake of asking questions, you have raised the queries. That is what it's very clear by the queries you have raised. See, what I see with all these queries, it is very clear that I don't think this is because of ignorance. It's not ignorance. No one in this our team is that much ignorant. Then why such queries? Why such queries? The answer, what I think, is it is the unwishfulness, the ignorance, the drama, or the pretension of ignorance is because of the unwishfulness of accepting the the rightful thing. And why is the unwishfulness? Because I think maybe the ego issues, and that is the main thing we should avoid as per our charter, and the same thing we are sticking to. So I urge all the members of core team, and I urge everyone of Partiless India organization to abstain from these egoistic issues and see each and everything critically. And if there are valid queries, of course everyone should raise it, and if there is anything better than that, we will adopt it, and we will not see from where it is coming, from whom it is coming. But this is not the way. We have wasted more than 2 years. 2 years. It's not a small thing. On one side, we make argue we argue that till when it will become partyless, how long will it take? No, 10 years is too long. We should have it in within 5 years, within 4 years. And on the other hand, we are not taking simple steps, small steps also. So dragging each other back is not going to help us. We urge everyone to raise valid queries, relevant queries. That's how we should proceed. I think we have made it very clear time and again that we, the people of India, are not part of the system. Why then these types of words come again in your queries? Representatives. The members of voter assembly aren't representatives. Why you use representatives? They are not representatives. What is National Voters Assembly? What is the purpose of National Voters Assembly? Is it a representative assembly? It is not a representative assembly. Then what is the problem with the number? What is the problem with the number? The National Voters Assembly is its job is like a postman. The proposals coming from the voters through the appertaining voters assemblies, what the members or the National Voters Assembly will do is forward it to the apex citizen expert committees. And when the citizen committees come up with a bill, they will just hand over it to the respective appertinent voters assembly, which will go further to the representative assemblies through the representative. So how many members do you need practically to do this small job? The entire thing majorly will be happening through the internet only, or through courier companies, or through postal department. We are there, the National Voters Assembly members are there just to watch that everything is happening smoothly. How many members do you think you need it? Crores? The entire postal department has not more than 2 lakh employees. Here, that is not a job also. And we don't need to go from here to there physically. So you are asking representatives, selection, election, controversy. What type of controversy? Mere sentences will not work. You have to specify your query. When we are saying this job is will be done by the people voluntarily, who think that this job is not just a job but a joy for them. A joy, not a job. Not it is not merely a job, it is a joy for them. So they are voluntarily coming forward and they are doing the job, and it is very simple. It's not a full day job. So why we are making these issues? So I think, Mrityunjay ji, you should look what you have raised, the queries. You should relook again about the queries. We are answering things, but you should go through each and everything that Ashok Bhai just now referred to, each and every section of our vision document. You haven't seen it. All our members just speak that, oh, we have seen that vision document, okay, but they haven't read it, they haven't understood it, and they are not wishful. This is not done. So that's what I want to say about this. Rashtriya Matata Sabha is an illusory concept. It is illusory if you are ignorant. Otherwise, it is not illusory. Each and every detail we have explained in detail. Each and every detail. You may raise questions, specific questions, pointing out each and everything, and we'll answer that also. And if there are certain things that need to rework, we will together rework. There's no problem with that. But without looking at it and you say we don't want it, no, it won't work like that. So that's it. Thank you.